Alright, so just for clarification, anything above this little line of pins is going to be haploid cells. Anything below are going to be diploid cells, just like we did in class. Okay, so to start things off, we have our haploid spore cells, which under our conditions will germinate and form into both male and female gametophytes. We have our male gametophyte, also known as the antheridia, which will form the gametangia of sperm. And our female gametophyte, also known as the archegonia, will form ova, which in simple terms, I guess, just means unfertilized egg. Eventually, this little flagellated sperm will swim over to the egg and they will undergo a process called fertilization. Once that has taken place, we will get a zygote, which I should have wrote a little Z on it, but I didn't. But you know, whatever. This zygote will then undergo a process known as mitosis, where it will form an embryo inside the sporophyte. Now, this sporophyte right here is attached to the larger archegonia. That is because the sporophyte, while it is multicellular, cannot live on its own. It relies on the gametophyte to supply all of its nutrients. So, in the life cycle of a moss, it is appropriate to say that the gametophyte is dominant over the sporophyte. Okay, so this sporophyte will then undergo mitosis and develop a sporangium, which is kind of like a mother cell for spores. And then this sporangium will undergo meiosis and it's produce sporangia, which are in turn are haploid spore cells. So hey, we're done because we're back at the beginning of the life cycle where our spores can produce gametophytes for the next generation. Plant sex, yeah.